This is going to be a video tutorial on how to customize folder icons in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. If you look right up this way, you can see that I have three folders here. I have the default folder, and then I've changed the icon on these other two folders. The way to customize an icon in Windows 10 for a folder, you want to right-click on the folder, then you want to go down to where it says Properties and click on Properties. That'll open up a little dialog box that looks like this. The tabs across the top up here, you want to go down to the very last one and click on Customize. Then you'll go down toward the bottom, and right here you can see it says Folder Icons. You can change the folder icon. If you change the folder icon, it will no longer show a preview of the folder's contents. Sometimes if you have images in a folder, it will show you a little preview of the images. I'm going to click on Change Icon. Another little dialog box will open up right here. Up top here, there's a Browse button. If you have a file on your computer, you could click on Browse, and you could select a file from your computer. Now the file has to be 256 by 256 pixels, and it has to be converted into a .ico extension. There are online converters that you could use. You could Google search ICO converter. There's free online converters. But down below that, you have a bunch of icons down here. You could scroll through here, and you can choose one in here. I'm going to choose this one right up here. I'm going to select it. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on OK. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom of this dialog box and I'm going to click on Apply. And then I'm going to click on OK. And as you can see, I have changed that folder's icon. Thanks for watching.